special update on Hurricane Hector, which is a Category 4 in my analysis. Actually, it's a special update on named storms, actually, which includes Tropical Depression 11E and Typhoon SHANSHAN. Starting with Hector, which is 140 miles an hour right now, and my analysis pressure 929 millibars. It's moving towards Hawaii. Expected to get there. It's a Category 5, Cat 5, weakening substantially. See, it will slightly move into the Western Pacific while I get there. Weaken substantially. Storm. This is the storm. Now, of course, we go move on to the western part of the Pacific. Of course, we got Typhoon SHANSHAN. Stop. Got Typhoon SHANSHAN. What a big surprise as we see Typhoon SHANSHAN weaken to 100 miles an hour mark. So that should become a Category 3. Get to Taiwan, wind speeds of 150 miles an hour. Substantially. It may take Maria's path a little bit, but here is SHANSHAN. We move back into the Eastern Pacific, where we have actually in my analysis 11E is a tropical storm in my analysis. Tropical storm Ileana in my analysis. This is the storm and its expected path. It's to become a hurricane and move to the northwest. This is Ileana. Now, move into the storm estimates. Hurricane Hector, Category 3, 100 and is a Category 3 in Force 13's analysis, Category 4 in mine. Force Ileana in my analysis, and 11E in Force 13's analysis. No satellite imagery available. 94 miles an hour for Typhoon SHANSHAN in Force 13's analysis. 105 in mine. So that was just a quick update on those storms. Hopefully I see you guys later. And for now, let's listen to some music.